We need a bigger passenger station.
They're dropping sand on the tracks back here. Oh! Had a train crash in the train yard. Did you see that? Some of these trains, this one in particular, these were on the wrong track. We left the yard open. For conductor. And another train rear-ended at the train yard. Poor conductor in the caboose this time. Wow. Oops.
Oh, it's another $5 fine. Oh, no.
Oopsie. Oh no, that's bad.
I didn't think you were not on.
What's our hilarious Adidas shoe car? You know, Cameron, they just got pounded right there. If you know it. Whoa! Whoa! Stop! Oh, thank you, Cameron. What did you just do?
I stopped.
Is that speeding away? Just ran into the back of Jack. Is that a fine?
He was stopped on the main line.
$1 fine.
He stopped on the main line.
Dude, Cameron, that's $1 fine right there, if you ask me. Get it. Hey, Cameron just Jack's train rear-ended. That I just caught on video. Yeah, whoa. What was that?
The light grey knob on it.
I'm still waiting for Jack. Look out, Jack.
You're getting out, open unit.
Jack, look out. Whoa. Oh no, look out. Oh.
It's not.
It's coupled back on. There you go. Oh, sorry.
That's $5 fine, Jack.
Oh, no. Sorry.
What did Jack do?
Things happen, Keith. I'm $5 fine. Oh, no.
Moving.
Things happen. Well, Keith, things happen. Yeah, Keith, that's what happens.
We're good.
Unfortunately, Cameron was not here to see it.
See if I can go across the bridge if I go fast.
Well, unfortunately, Cameron was not here to see it.
That's the clue. You go fast and it makes it across the bridge.
Stop.
Whoa.
Huh, how does that happen? Huh, how does that happen? I have no idea. Whoa.
Oh, collision.
Oh no, it had a train crash. How does that happen?
Oh, it's because the switch is left open.
Oh well.
Switching to the Harrison yard is not
You forgot to switch something.
Hold it. Okay.
Who does the book move? Yeah.
Okay, back up.
Oopsie doopsie. Watch out, Jack! Oh, and a big avalanche of snow came into the track. Oh well.
Oh, you did?
He's not paying attention.
And that's what happens. And that's what happens.
That juju, dude. It's $800 worth of products.
And that's what happens. Whoa. Oh no. Jeez. Oh, Keith. Did you see that? That's $5.
$5 fine. Donation
Nice
buckets over there.
Right there.
Be careful, Max.
Oh! Oh no.
Or not Max,
It's Jack. No, that is $5 fine in the donation jar right there.
$5 fine. Donation jar.
Over there. For you, Jack.